Hey friends, it's that time. We're gonna do another weigh-in, see how our meat birds are doing, and yeah, give you an update. All right, here's our record holder. Let's see where he's at. All right, don't touch the bucket. We're gonna call it 765.
This one might be our heaviest.
Here's number 3. Nope. Our number 2 is 740. This one is 626. All right, another one. Be careful with them. 658. 630. 41. 646. Still our previous champion, still the heaviest. 665. Ooh, there's a big one. 717. Put him in there.
Our champion still the
605. Got a lightweight. 596. 697. How many we have left over there? 602. Half a dozen or so. Do we have a new champion? Oh, by 20 grams. 21 grams.
He picked his head up.
Yep. He is lighter than the other one. 631. 657. 560. 676. 658. And our last one is 602. Beefy One is still the reigning champion. He's still the biggest, guys. Isn't that cool? We're going to give him a new zip tie, though. You got a beefier one? Okay. Okay, here are the numbers. Somehow I came up with 28 numbers, and I'm pretty sure we have 31 chickens. So I either forgot to write down a few, or yeah, or I miscounted last time. I don't know. But these are the averages nonetheless. Still Beefy is number 1 at 765. So we got a new tag on her. It was still plenty loose, but it was time to change it for her. And we are coming out to an average of 660 grams per bird, which is crazy. Weigh-in was 14 days ago, so that's an average of 49 grams per day, which is crazy, and about a 50% retention on the feed, which is cool. As a group, they weigh a little over 18 kilograms, and we've gone through 2 18-kilogram bags of feed, so that's where I get that 50% feed retention. So kind of cool. I've been enjoying this. If you are too, follow along. See ya.